Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a watermark for YouTube videos on Canva. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, we need to open Canva and youtube.com. So if we go to customization in our YouTube studio in the left side of the screen and open this profile section and scroll down to the end, we'll find video watermark option and an ability to upload watermark for our YouTube videos. So here it says that it is recommended to use 150 to 150 pixels, the resolution of this image. So we would stick to that rule. So we can go back to Canva and start creating our watermark. So first of all, open the main page of Canva and click on Create a Design in the top left corner. From here, we can choose to create some, for example, pre-made resolutions here. If we scroll, we can choose what we like. Or we can go and click on custom size. So if we click on the custom size, we can simply fill in the recommended resolution that was mentioned on youtube.com. Here you need to choose pixels and then click on create new design. It will open a new tab with a blank space where you can start creating your YouTube watermark. So YouTube watermark may be in two variants. So for example, it could be just your profile picture or it could be a subscribe button. First of all, I'll show you how to make a subscribe button. So here in the left side menu, you need to choose elements and go and search for some elements. So for example, you can search for YouTube logo at first. YouTube icon, yeah, something like that. And then in the photos or in the graphics, you need to expand and see what images you like. So as you can see, here is a pre-made YouTube subscribe button right here. And if we resize it a little bit and place it right in the middle of the screen, we can just simply here add some elements if you want. So we can change the background, just leave it like that. So basically this is ready YouTube watermark for your video. So now to save this watermark, all we have to do is to click on the share in the top right corner, then click on the download and download in the format that you like. So for example this, and download, and wait a little bit until the download is finished. Here it is. And now we can go back to YouTube, click on the upload right here, go to the downloads and choose our watermark and click on the done button right here. And as you can see here in the corner of the video, the YouTube watermark will be shown. But as you can see, it has some white background, so we need to change it to delete the background because it looks kind of weird with the background. So to delete the background, I recommend you to change the background to green, from white to green. So simply go and change it from white to green. And now we need to open the website that will delete the background for our image. So you need to type something like background delete online and choose the website that you like. So for example, I will go with the second website, and here it says that we need to drop an image right here. So first of all, that we are not a robot. So I will choose this photo, and now as you can see, it automatically removed the background. And now we can download this image in standard resolution or in a higher resolution, but this is a pro version. So I'll just in standard resolution save it, and if I go back to YouTube, I can basically change it to the transparent background like this and click on the done. And as you can see, now you have this watermark without the background. If you see that the watermark is in poor quality, then to fix this problem, we need to create a new design. And here just simply increase the width and height in pixels. So for example, you can make it something like 1080 to 1080, then click on create new design and start making a new watermark with a higher resolution. So now I'll show you how to make a watermark with your profile picture. So first of all, you need to download and have on your computer your profile picture downloaded, and now you need to go to the uploads right here in the left hand menu and upload the file, basically your profile picture. So in my case it would be this profile picture. As you can see, it is uploading in the left side of the screen, and here it is. If I click on it, I can resize it as I want and basically make a watermark. So I'll just make it to perfectly fit in the shape, something like that, and basically the same steps. Click on the share, then download, and then download in the preferred file type, resolution, etc. So as you can see, it is downloaded. Now you can click on the save, go back to YouTube, and then click on the change and change it to your new watermark. As you can see, it is in better quality because the resolution is bigger. Then click on the done button, and basically when all is done, you need to click on the publish in the top right corner, and your watermark is added to your YouTube videos. And basically that is it. That is how we can create YouTube watermark on Canva. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.